Hello, my name's Tony from Camperdown in Victoria. This is our new BRIBUILD home, and let me show you a few features of it. We've just moved in. We got our certificate of occupancy about a week ago. So it's all steel, as you can see, steel stumps. We've got a ground anchor system underneath it, so you can have that, or you can have traditional piers. 100 by 100 mil stumps, quality throughout. Let's go through the front door. Now, we got BRIBUILD to supply everything to lock up except for the external cladding. We purchased that ourselves, which was hardy plank wood grain from Bunnings. And as you can see, the kitchen, how we designed it, we designed the house and BRIBUILD accommodated that design. There's some day-night window furnishings which are really good. It's my little dog growling. And let's start off with the guest room. That's our guest room there. And we've got IKEA built-in robes, which are really easy to put together. There's a laundry, and that goes out to a side landing and a clothesline. And we've got a central toilet, which is large enough to accommodate a walker, so everything's done for old age. And we've got a sensor up there, comes on automatically. There's our bathroom. We've got a spa bath, and we've got a beautiful shower with a fold-down seat and a niche, lovely rose and a hand shower, and handles, as you can see, for older age people. I use them myself. Really great. We go across here to the study, and that can be used as a third bedroom. We chose not to go open plan. We wanted a cozy, separate room type environment. And here is the lounge room. Reverse cycle air conditioning, very economical nowadays. I put the niche in there with some leftover steel frame pieces. Thank you, Brian, for that. There's some more built-in robes by IKEA. Beautiful bedroom. Another reverse cycle there. So you get the idea. Fantastic service by Brian and Tiffany. Could not be any happier. And very good quality product. Here's the flooring. Everything's by Bunnings. You get a discount if you own a builder. So, well worth the trouble. And now we can enjoy our new home. Thanks for listening.